Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Sterling yen update for Monday, August 11th, 2025. All right, as it stands right now, sterling yen is basically in the consolidation. The most important level is this level right here, 198.17. We kind of came down and we touched it, bounced off of it. But really, what's holding sterling yen up is dollar yen. I'm going to get into that in a second. But as it stands right now, sterling yen's resistance, believe it or not, is so tight. It's like right at 198.48 right here. Here's a resistance level. Sterling yen, if it can recover this, we got a good shot of trying to get back up to 199. Now, the key to sterling yen is um, dollar yen. And I'm going to show you dollar yen in a second. But so sterling yen needs to recover, like, say, 198.50. And it definitely has to hold that 198.20 level. If that level breaks, we're looking for sterling yen to go back down to maybe 197, like 75, 80. But it's really dollar yen that's ruling sterling yen, because if we come on over the good old sterling dollar itself, here was the weekly points. Let's go to 4 hours. Okay, let's go to a 4 hour chart. And we could see exactly where the support point is. All right, so we made a rally, attempted rally. Let me see my volatility notes here on good old sterling dollar itself. Where the heck is sterling dollar? This thing, man. Can't sustain a rally. Can't sustain a rally. I've been saying that forever. 134, what, 60? 134, 134.76. Breaking down below this 134, say 15 level is not showing strength. So if it breaks this 133.90, it's opening up a path downward to 133.50. The only way that it shows strength today, is if it can get back up above, let's see, eh, 30, 134.30. Let me put up a line over there. So you guys, if you guys are going short, if you think it's going down, like your warning point is really 134.30. Um, and we're going to get into dollar yen in a second, because dollar yen's the one. Okay, that's good. That's close enough. This is a level it has to get back over if it's going to show strength. But there obviously, there's resistance at the 134, like 74 level. Today's high. Now Friday we went up to like 134.60. So it really didn't gravitate that much further away from Friday's high, and it's starting to cool off. Again, like sterling's a pain in the ass, man. I've been trading sterling forever, and it's always a pain in the ass currency. All right, let's move over to good old dollar yen, because this is the one that's ruling the whole thing. I'm going to show you dollar yen right here. Dollar yen's basically got a small little bull flag pattern on the 4 hour. Okay, I went short. I said Friday at 147.83. I was expecting to get him back at like 147, the figure. Went down to 147.34. Put my stop at entry, got taken out. Now, my theory is that, like, here's one of my theories, okay? And this is what I basically go off of. Here was consolidation point right here back in the chart before we broke up to the 150. So we're really right back in this area right now. So it's kind of like a pivot point, but really what happened was, since we came up, and I basically said, okay, we should be going back down to like 147, back down to this point here. Let's say, 147, the figure, and it didn't do it. It's basically confirming this bull flag breakout, which is actually showing dollar yen going up to like 148.80. Of course, there's going to be some stops at 147, 148, 35, 40 retrace, and then potential rally up. So right now I have reversed and I went long dollar yen. I went long dollar yen at 147, 88. I only did 1/3 of my position because I was hoping, and hope is not a strategy. I was thinking I was going to get a pullback to 147, like 55, 60. Excuse me. I got this bad cold that just keeps irritating my throat. And the cigar smoke doesn't really help me either, but I'm not stopping smoking cigars. So got to deal with my little cough. So that's what I was thinking. Now, I haven't gotten that, and it's sitting right around 148 the figure. I'm not moving. If I break up through like 147.20, 148.20, I'll look for a retrace. I'll try to do a Fibonacci scale, try to figure out where a good retrace is off the leg, and then try to add to the position with, a decent stop. But that's what I got going on right now in good old dollar yen. Euro yen, here we go. Euro yen starting to actually show weakness, just like sterling yen is. We made it up to 172.34. I told you 172, the figure level, was an important point that it had to hold on the weekly update. If you would have saw that, we're now trading below that. So really, if you're a euro yen bull, you're not, you'd have to start to look at like this level here, like this valley right here. Let me get what I gotta get. I gotta get horizontal ray. No, I don't want a horizontal ray. I don't even know what I want. Let me go and get what's it called? This cold is like messing up my brain a little bit. Sorry. So this valley right here, okay, is an important valley. So if this valley breaks, and then we're going to support at 171.10, it's opening up euro yen to like 170.70. Okay. So right now, this is still, well, it couldn't break through this resistance. So it's really showing weakness. Okay. Now, dollar yen could save the day. With a dollar yen rally and a euro dollar holding, that could save the day in euro yen, but I'm not counting on that, man. I'm really not counting on it. Looks like we're drifting a little bit low. We made it to what, 172.34. Let me do a quick retest calculation. So we're trading right now at 171.59, 171.90. I'm gonna go right up to there. 170. Okay, that's fine. 87 is fine. It needs to reverse over this. If it comes back up to here and then bounces back down, it's going to break the valley and it's heading lower, even if dollar yen is continuing to rally. Dollar yen is sitting right now 147.99. So that's what I got going on for you guys today. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Don't forget, in the description, you get yourself a free video and ebook on whether or not price breakouts are good. Get it, man. You can't beat the price, right? You could learn something. All right. So I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, always, always, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.